Okay guys, I think we have yep, y'all look straight this time. We're gonna let you guys drive the Pete today. We just washed it for you. Show you what it looks like. Well, you don't have any tires shot on there yet, but we are at Turtle's Truck Wash in Oak Grove, Kentucky. They do a really good job here, and we can sit here and finish drying it, but let's take her home, man. We got to go home. It is 1 o'clock. We got to get out of here. You guys ready to ride? I am ready to ride. See that? Check it out. Woo, she's pretty. She is pretty. Oh yeah. Alright. So I think we have get this mic situated. Tell you what, I've been out there. Even though I didn't do anything, they did it all. Let's see how our view looks. Oh yeah, the view looks good. Get her plugged up. Alright, let's see. Trip information, get the gauges, RPM, navigation. Make sure she's navigating. CB on. We always run with the CB on. If you guys holler at me and the CB isn't on, it's because I'm making a video or I'm on the phone with someone very, very important. Everybody I'm on the phone with is important there, Roger. So we did a head cam video the other day, and some people liked it. 700 feet, turn right. Some people hate it. Let's turn that down, because we know where we are going. I love that Raminelli magnetic mount. It is awesome. It is awesome. Hang on, microphone's having a problem here. Hold on. Okay, now we're ready. Woo! Red light. Yeah, I tell you what, it's 90 some odd degrees out here. It's bloody hot. You know? We could have went right there, but what's the rush? Alright. We're going to buy ourselves a chest mount so we can do that shifting video. And I tell you what, that truck wash right there is phenomenal, man. They wash and dry it. So anyway, we did a live broadcast a few moments ago, and that was our first ever driving live video. I think it turned out. Let's make sure we're still recording. Oh yeah, see that? You guys see yourselves? That's what I did not do the other day when I went to Florida, is I did not do that. One guy said, oh, you need a monitor and a Wi-Fi connection. Yep, he's right. I had it the whole time. It just burns a lot of battery to do that. Usually I can slap that thing on and get it right, you know, but here lately I cannot. So today we made sure we had it right. Still don't have that navigation going. Just doing that so you guys can see the fancy truck crap. We got 3,000 pounds in the box today, so we are a really fast sports car today. The thing is amazing, and so yeah, might as well be empty. We got a whole load of, you know, I think it might be styrofoam coolers. I didn't ask them, but I think it's just some kind of styrofoam coolers. It's going to a sporting goods place, so I think that's probably just coolers. Try to stay out of your way here, bobtail. Got a big Peterbilt bobtail behind me. We're going to try to stay ahead of him. I put that blinker on just so he would know I was going to step out there. See that water coming up on that mirror? We dried it, man, but one guy's going to say, oh, you need a leaf blower. Yeah. I got one of those too. And I've done that. It's just too much of a hassle to bring it on the road. It does not do a very good job. It would not be worth doing all that. I could just, when I get home, I can clean that mirror with some Windex. It would be good as new. Be good as new, come on. You gonna holler at me? Let's holler at him. Hey, big old fancy bobtail, you did it. Come on back, sir. Nope. I thought he was messing with the radio, but I guess I was wrong. He's got the yellow strobe light blinkers. I got this seat on the floor. It's a whole different riding experience. Woo! So I am a little keyed up from the truck wash. Had a cup of coffee. Cause like I said, our tri-pack broke down this morning and woke us up prematurely. So yeah, so I always take a shower and then wash the bloody truck. I got this backwards. I need to wash the truck and then take a shower because I always get hot and sweaty. But because washing this truck is a workout. Well, luckily I didn't really. I dried the wheels and the breathers and because there was 5 of them drying it. I'll tell you what, Turtles Truck Wash, you guys, thumbs up, 2 thumbs up. If they were Rotten Tomatoes, we'd give them 10 or whatever, however they base that. So yeah, they're good. But anyway, so I hope you guys are enjoying this, driving this clean truck. And maybe one day we'll be driving a new Corvette for you. Go run the Dragon. Well, anyway, alright, I gotta go call Sammy, the Makes Sense YouTube channel star. He called me right before I went into the truck wash, so I gotta give him a call. I got a large car behind me, tailgating me actually. See if y'all can see him. Y'all see him, big W9 back there? So let's smash the gas and get out of his way. I will stay on the phone with you guys until he comes around. He's gonna probably jump back in behind me right here because he's already sped up to 75. I'm not gonna maintain that speed, so this is gonna confuse him. But I was just trying to get out of his way, you know, because he was on my donkey. I don't like people riding my donkey, man, especially a big truck. You know, I don't believe in the tailgating stuff. So yeah, now we're gonna back out and get back to our 68 cruise speed. Let this guy come on. This big W9. Check him out. I think he has the, is that an Icon? Does he have the Icon stripes on it? Or just, no, just retro stripes. I don't think he's an Icon. Yeah, it is an Icon. Well, I'm getting good, right? It's a good looking truck, man. Alright, you can bring a big old Icon, that beautiful trailer over here, sir. Come on. Look at that stainless trailer. My radio must not be working today. But you guys see our reflection? Look at you. It's a beautiful trailer, wasn't it? I'm not a fan. He got the same kind of doors I got. Mine's a little smoother than that, but if I'm going to ever order a trailer, I'm not going to have that wrap. I'm going to have the real deal. It's going to be a full stainless sheet, man. I'm not. Mine's a little bit better than that is, but I don't like it. Mine, I'd rather have like it's on the front of the trailer. But anyway, we're just rambling. But that was a beautiful wagon. All right, we are out. See you.